Hey everyone, welcome back to Telecom. Today we are going to solve the backlight problem of the iPhone 11. So let's get started. We'll connect another display to check if the problem is there as well. The same problem is happening with this display as well. There's no light in the bottom corner. Okay, now we're going to remove the screws and connectors to take out the logic board. We'll use a SIM ejector to remove the SIM tray. After separating all the parts, we'll carefully take out the logic board. This is the part where the backlight problems usually occur. Now we'll use flux cleaner to remove the remaining washers. There are two options to remove the metal shield. 1, take everything apart and lift it carefully. 2, cut the metal shield off. I prefer option number 2. We need to carefully cut the sides bit by bit using a cutter. Now we'll use tweezers to lift and remove the metal shield. We'll cut the remaining sides with a cutter. We'll apply paste on the 2 fuses that have problems. Now we'll use a soldering iron to carefully solder them properly. Now we'll use a thin wire to solder both sides. Now we'll do the next one. Now we'll reconnect the connectors to the logic board and attach the display connector to check. We'll power it on. Now the display is fully bright and clean.